showed the fucking
showed the
birth
paper.
certificate.
But was it a real birth certificate?
Yeah, it was a birth certificate. Why wouldn't he, if he shows it publicly?
But I heard.
Don't bring your racist shit into
No,
this, dude.
I'm not.
It's getting really upsetting. It's getting really fucking rude to
I'm
everyone.
not.
I don't care about the music.
No, this isn't.
You're spreading a bunch of racist shit.
No,
you do it every week.
No. I'm trying to educate myself because I asked a couple questions.
Ended last week. You said a slur about him.
I asked a couple questions.
I don't know if you heard that or not, and I'm not even fucking comfortable.
No, I asked a couple questions. Daniel, not now.
You can ask. Listen, you can ask whatever you want, like an adult.
No,
you haven't been.
Daniel, not now. I'm not taking Skype calls right now.
Don't take fucking Skype calls.
No, I'm not taking Skype calls.
What do you want to say about him that isn't...
I want a Daniel! We're not taking Skype calls!
Shut the fuck up! Turn
God
off.
damn it, Daniel. We're not
Turn the fuck off. Here.
taking Skype calls. I just want to know.
Whatever you were going to say, but
no. I heard... I want to put... I don't know, understand why you keep accusing me of being racist.
Okay. Because the last 3 weeks you said really fucking racist shit. And even if it's not offensive
No.
when you use the word wop to me...
Oh, I was joking!
I know, but you do that and another thing, and it all fucking adds up, and they look at you like that.
But I didn't say it in a way like, you walk, where are your papers, you fuck?
Don't even say a word on it.
I'm just saying like, hey, what you up to, you know, like...
How do you turn this
What?
off? How do you turn this off?
No, I mean, we're still...
Get out of the fucking way, Kevin. Kevin, get up.
What?
Get the fuck
Whoa!
up.
No.
Where's the button? I'm not fucking around here.
No,